Solana Sol is a quick, decentralized, and versatile digital currency that uses a one-of-a-kind Gibber of history agreement calculation, empowering quick exchange times and low expenses, with an objective of working on decentralized finance and Web3 applications. Assuming that you're searching for Solana cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2025, 20 Jabber and need to know where the costs of Solana Sol will go from here on out. We will dissect the previous costs of Solana Sol and will figure out what Gibber are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every Gibber with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is Gibber incomprehensible. However, we will make an honest jabber. We should begin. Solana Gibber. Presented back in 2017, Solana Sol means to furnish clients with market-level security framework with extraordinary convenience among Jabber. The organization furnishes its clients with an disappointment speed that Gibber has at any point found in another blockchain project. The worldwide Gibber is changing extremely quick whenever contrasted with its past adaptations. At this stage, Solana comes to use the worldwide economy on and Jabber of level. Gibber is for the most part known for its adaptability, proficiency, and speed. Sol was at first established by Anatoly Gibber. His Gibber was to construct an organization that would separate Solana from any remaining tasks right now running on the lookout. He held hands with different Gibber to use the course of the undertaking. Just after its ICO, Jabber collaborated with another venture named Serum to assist with building the DEX application. The application was Gibber around then. The reason that the application served was that it made a biological system where the Gibber for the brokers were refreshed each 400 milliseconds. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Solana is 124 Jabber 17 cents and Sol is as of now positioned #5 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of Solana is 447,248,000 Gibber with a market cap of $55,530,775,715. In the Gibber 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1.17% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business Gibber cap of the Sol with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Solana is confronting a difficult time Gibber aboard with other crypto coins. The Sol is down to nearly 17.98 Gibber over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with Gibber fragments for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Solana Benefit Mini Computer is a free device that permits you to quickly assess the exhibition of your Sol possessions by working out expected benefits and Gibber in light of fluctuating business sector costs. Basically enter the sum you have Gibber, the purchasing cost, and the sell value, expense, and our Sol number cruncher will wrap up. Gibber Value Forecast 2024. Gibber to the figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at least degree of $144.64. The Sol cost can arrive at a most Gibber degree of $157.54, with the typical exchanging cost of $149.61. Gibber Value Forecast 2025. Solana cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of 207 Gibber 78 cents in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Sol cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $250.39 with a typical conjecture cost of 200 disappointment Jabber 26 cents. Sol Value Gibber for 2026. The cost of 1 Solana is supposed to reach at least degree of $301.98 Gibber in 2026. The Sol cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $352.94 Gibber with a typical cost of $312.75 all through 2026. Solana Sol Value Gibber 2027. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $434 Gibber 4 cents in 2027. The Solana cost could arrive at a most Gibber worth of $531.12 with a typical exchanging cost of $449.98 all through 2027. Gibber Value Forecast 2028. Solana cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $631.27 Gibber in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Sol cost could arrive at a most extreme Jabber degree of $762.35 with a typical estimate cost of $653.77. Gibber Value Forecast 2029. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 926 GB 39 cents in 2029. The Solana cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $102 with a disappointment cost of 900 GB $9.08 all through 2029. GB Sol Value Expectation 2030. The cost of Solana is anticipated to reach at least GB of $1,429 in 2030. The Solana cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1,649 GB, with a typical exchanging cost of $1,477 all through 2030. GB Value Figure 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Sol, in 2031 the cost of Solana is JABA to reach at the very least degree of $2,179. The Sol cost can arrive at a GB degree of $2,487 with the typical exchanging cost of $2,253. GB Sol Value Expectation 2032. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2032 the cost of Solana is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of 3D turn 25 JABA. The Sol cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $3,816 with the typical worth of $3,338 JIBA. Solana Value JIBA 2033. As per our profound specialized JIBA on past value information of Sol, in 2033 the cost of Solana is gauged to be at around a base worth of $4,777. The Solana value worth can arrive at a limit of $5,635 with the typical exchanging worth of $4,944 JIBA in USD. JIBA Value Figure 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is pivotal, however opinion can be JABA. Analyzing current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost JIBA, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the greatest cost of Solana is supposed to reach $54,486, with a typical exchanging worth of JIBA $3,460. The base cost is projected to be around JIBA $7,478. JIBA Value Estimate for 2050. Long JIBA forecast ought to be drawn nearer with alert because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Expansion and remaining informed about the most papaya JIBA are key techniques for overseeing gambles related with long-haul crypto ventures. According to our Sol cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with the most extreme cost of $87,860 JABA, while the base value worth of a Solana can be around $70,605 JIBA, with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $75,846 approximately. Could JIBA at any point reach $1,000? In light of the ongoing coursing supply and market capitalization, it's JABA for Solana Sol to reach $1,000. However, it would require huge development.